But it was very important for Magnet Networks to use the Irish language within our Galway free Wi-Fi service, because Galway has such a strong affiliation with the Irish language that we wanted to make sure that this service used that unique selling point and really matched itself to Galway. In order to promote the Galway free Wi-Fi service, we introduced signage both here in Eyre Square and throughout the city, which is bilingual, giving people an understanding of how we're using the Irish language within the free Wi-Fi service. The reaction has been phenomenal. People are really excited about the fact that we're using the Irish language within the Wi-Fi service, and so much so that we've now used this in 8 other towns across Ireland because of the impact it's had in Galway.